Panthers against the Giants. Preview week 15.
What a play by number 13.
Hey, guys, guess what day it is?
What day it is?
Preview day.
Hey.
Alright, we got the Panthers and the Giants. You got your keys to this game. You know what, though? Odell Beckham Jr., he's unstoppable. He was sick, and they gave him IVs at the half. Still, did not matter. And Josh Norman, what's he going to do?
Can I name drop?
Do it.
Because Dave Damashek has to see
Ding.
Odell Beckham this week, so I gave OBJ a call.
You did?
And let Dave talk to him. I just had to say that.
All right.
But yeah, it's going to be the
You talked to
receiving.
him about the game?
Oh, we talked about other things. Yeah.
All right.
We talked about other
We'll talk
things.
about that later.
But listen, yeah, we will. The receiving core versus the Carolina Panthers stout secondary. That's the key to this game. I mean, really, the only person who's going to stop OBJ is OBJ. 100 yards in 60% of his games, most of the NFL history. But wait a minute. The Carolina Panthers defense, they're not having that. I call this a not today kind of defense. Very stingy, very stingy. 10.3 yards per catch, the best in the NFL. This is going to be a good game.
All right, how about Carolina's offense? Jonathan Stewart, he's been so good lately. How do they stop him?
I don't know. Like Stewart, man, 989 yards rushing, third best in the NFL.
He looks
This guy
good.
has been on the field. That's been his problem. Durability. So they say durability is availability, and he's been available so far for the most of this season. So when this guy is running the rock, he's a load. He's one of the reasons why this offense is putting up the numbers, because they can't stop him on the ground.
Well, how can you stop him? Is there a way when you watch tape, when you watch him play, is there any way to limit him?
It's hard to stack the box. One, you got Cam as a running back.
Yeah.
Two, you have Tolbert. Three, you have Stewart having an outstanding season so far. But even though this guy has problems catching, 17.4 yards per catch, I'm talking about Ted Ginn. And Olsen, hopefully he's healthy enough to play. But when you got a deep threat like a Ted Ginn, it opens up the field because he's that one big play away from scoring a touchdown.
This is Ted Ginn's year. But will the Panthers stay undefeated? I mean, the Giants, they have a three-way tie now atop the NFC East. Who wins this game?
And I still got to go with the Panthers.
Go with Panthers.
I still got to go with the Panthers.
The Panthers, that means they would go to 14-0. They're
Right?
probably going to run the gamut here.
I'm cammed out.
You are?
I'm cammed out right now.
What does that even mean?
It's a good thing. I mean, Cam is camming, I'm cammed out.
All right, we're all cammed out. You can check us out on NFL Now for more of us being cammed out.